are going to love the 2021 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, cargo bed light, LED, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera, driver attention alert system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.